Well, a man who stabbed his girlfriend to death in front of their 5-month-old son has been ordered to have a new trial after using the controversial defense that he was provoked into a deadly rage.
You're so gorgeous. Mommy loves you.
The voice of Tanya Cowell in an intimate moment with her infant son Balin in 2013.
Mommy loves you.
Not long after this video, Tanya was brutally stabbed 11 times by Balin's dad, Haiden Suarez-Noa. He was charged with second-degree murder but was found guilty of the lesser charge of manslaughter. His lawyers successfully arguing the law of provocation, that Tanya provoked her killing in an argument where she called Suarez-Noa a immigrant, threatened to leave him and prevent him from seeing her son. Today, the Court of Appeal has granted a new trial. Tanya's sister-in-law is relieved.
We're overcome with emotion. And we are so glad those 3 appeal judges saw that there were flaws in this case and that something went wrong.
But the Court of Appeal is standing by the law of provocation defense, saying the words uttered immediately before the attack could reasonably be viewed as a denigrating taunt, depicting Suarez-Noa because he was an immigrant as worthless and powerless. The appeal is instead based on a key defense witness, a psychiatrist who essentially instructed the jury that Suarez-Noa was provoked into a killing frenzy. Legal analyst John Struthers has read the ruling.
But what they really decided in this judgment was that Dr. Goger, who was giving his opinions about this fella, went too far and essentially talked to what they call the ultimate issue, which is whether or not he was in fact provoked. It's not for the experts to come to court and say, I believe this is how it should be decided. Dr. Goger looked at this guy's history, his psychiatric situation, and his personal circumstances, as well as listening to his story, and essentially told the jury, I think he was provoked. That wasn't for him to decide. That was for the jury to decide. So they said he went too far.
Suarez-Noa was sentenced to 11 years for manslaughter and will now be retried on a charge of second-degree murder. We have followed this case for years as it has winded its way through the courts. Watching as Tanya's son Balin grows up in the loving home of his adopted mother, Tanya's sister-in-law.
You love Mama?
Balin was 5 months old when his mom died. He's now 4.
He has no idea, and that scares me because now he's older. So the trial, he's just that little bit older, and I'm hoping to shelter him from all of this still. He's still too young to conceptualize any of this. So that's another reason that we fight, is to protect him.
Now, after Suarez-Noa's trial, the law of provocation was changed in the law books and now can only be used as a defense if a criminal act provokes a killing, not just words or actions. A date has not yet been set for a new trial.